If you've been affected by these huge monetization changes, you don't want to miss these 10 unbelievably effective ways to monetize your channel. Stay tuned to the end because I guarantee you did not think of the last one. Hey, I'm Adam. If you want to learn how to grow your small YouTube channel, click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. The first method I'm going to talk about is Patreon. Patreon is so awesome because it's completely free to get started and the potential you can reach is unbelievable. If you don't know what Patreon is, it is a website where you can go make an account and then you set up your page. You can add posts with rewards, extra videos, bonus audio, downloads, all of that cool stuff. And then your audience can pledge a certain amount of money to you per month depending on how much you choose, and they get access to those awesome rewards. It's a really cool place for you to give bonus content to your viewers and make a little bit of money at the same time. The next income source I'm going to talk about is merchandise. Merchandise is awesome because who doesn't love having their own t-shirts? You can sell shirts, jackets, hoodies, hats, all of that cool stuff. With your logo, a bit of text, whatever it is you want to do. You can also do this without having to pay for production or any of that stuff by using websites like Spreadshirt, Teespring, and stuff like that. That way, if a design isn't popular, you don't have to worry about making 100,000 copies and then not being able to sell any of them. You do split a bit of the profit with the site, but they are paying for the production of the shirt, so that's perfectly reasonable. You can tell your audience how you've been affected by the monetization changes and ask if they want to support you, they could buy a shirt or something, and that's another way to boost your sales. Because you know a ton of small YouTubers would want to help support each other that way. The next method I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. You can make money selling other people's products. This is awesome because A, you don't have to pay for production of any product. You have to pay for warehouse space, all of that stuff. You don't even have to pay for shipping. You just use websites that have affiliate programs like Amazon and link out to different products that are related to your audience. You don't make as much money if you were selling your own products, but you still do make a commission for each and every sale. Some of my favorite platforms for affiliate marketing are Wix, Amazon, Adobe, Bluehost, and TubeBuddy. As a matter of fact, if you're a small YouTuber, you know just how important it is to have your own website. It's your own home, your own base. It's a place you own, so if something happened to your YouTube channel, people would still know how to find you and you wouldn't have to start from scratch again. If you want to make your own website with hosting included and absolutely no coding, I have a link to Wix in the description. It is an affiliate link. See what I did there, guys? I just did a call to action about something that's relevant to you, and I told you I have a link to it in the description. Now, who knows, a few of you might click it, you might check it out, and you might sign up for the affiliate program, and there, I would make a bit of money. But that is also how you can boost sales, by making call to actions to your affiliate links. The next income stream I'm going to talk about is Streamlabs. So as you know, Super Chat is going away. You can no longer receive donations in chat unless you are in the YouTube Partner Program. Streamlabs allows you to set up a little page as well as a ton of other cool features, and viewers can click the link and go and donate a certain amount to you just like they could with Super Chat. The best part, they can do it from mobile, desktop, all of that stuff. You can also set it up so that your viewer's name pops up on screen when they do decide to donate, which is another motivating factor to get more people to donate. The next method I'm going to talk about is selling ebooks. No matter what niche you're in, you can write ebooks about it, stories, facts, tutorials, guides, that kind of stuff. Package it all up nicely in a short ebook, and then you can sell it on Amazon Kindle. This is awesome because you don't need a publisher. You can also share it with your audience and get them to buy it as well because it's relevant to them. This works especially best if you have a niche down channel because more of your audience is interested in the ebook. You can use one of Canva's design templates or make your own using Word and then just save it as a PDF and upload it. Boom, super easy. The next method I'm going to talk about is brand deals. Now, it's not really easy to get brand deals as a small channel, but it is still possible if you do things right. You need to lead with what value and what's in it for the brand, not what's in it for you. Your subscriber count and views aren't necessarily the most important thing. If you can add value to the brand in some other way, they will be much more likely to work with you. Also, if you're only getting a couple of hundred views a video, but when you do affiliate marketing for a certain product, a lot of people are buying it and you can prove that through reports and analytics and stuff like that, you can show that data to brands and they'll be much more likely to want to work with you because you can prove that you can sell to your audience. You can use Social Bluebook to come up with pricing for how much you should charge for brand deals, which is another awesome tool. But always just lead with what value is in it for the brand. You have to prove that your audience will want to purchase the product and that the brand's not just wasting their money. Because when it comes to brand deals and sponsorships and stuff like that, the brand wants to 10x the investment they're making. So that's what's in their mind. They want to know what's in it for them. The next method I'm going to talk about is courses. If you have an education channel and you teach stuff, create an in-depth guide, bundle it up together nicely, toss in a few bonuses, and boom, you can sell that course. Courses can be extremely lucrative because you make them once and you can continue selling them for years and years and years in the future, and all you have to do is just update it. Now you're probably wondering, with all the free stuff on YouTube, why would people buy courses? Well, the answer is in the question. There's so much free stuff on YouTube that people don't know where to look. It's completely unorganized. You'll have to jump from here to here to here to here to here to here. And there's no straight path to learn the task you're trying to learn. There's also a ton of distractions. Thumbnails everywhere in the sidebar, all trying to grab your attention and draw you away from what you're trying to learn. As for how to make an online course, personally, I use Thinkific. I think it's an awesome site that allows you to host your course, and you can set it up like it's your own website. You can start off completely free, and there are paid plans in the future you can upgrade to get even more features like coupon codes and stuff like that. A few other platforms are Teachable and Kajabi. Teachable does have a free option, but Kajabi is definitely more expensive. Personally, the features in Kajabi make it worth the price, so if you can afford it, definitely go for it. I'm going to be launching a thumbnail design course coming up pretty soon at the end of February, where it teaches you in depth how I designed my thumbnail template, all the design aspects, the lighting, the colors, all of that stuff, and includes 4 templates for you to use. I'll be adding more in the future, as well as a complete ebook guide that I put together and a ton of other cool bonuses. There'll be more information in the future. Make sure to join my email list by clicking the link in the description if you want to be updated on it, because the first 5 people do get a pretty cool bonus, so you want to stay tuned for that. The next income source I'm going to talk about is membership sites. Use the same platform as you do for courses. However, membership sites are recurring monthly charges. You don't just make the income once and it stops. Your audience pays you each and every month, and they receive tons and tons of value each month, and you're constantly adding cool new things. They can be extremely profitable because there is a more stable income. You know, if you're charging $59 a month or $29 a month, which are the 2 prices I recommend starting at, every month, you know, you're gonna get about this much to this much, depending on whether a few people leave or a few new people join, and you have an idea of how much you're gonna be making. But on top of that, it's an awesome way to get the really serious people in your community together to engage with each other. You can create a separate Facebook group for everyone to talk to each other, share and bounce ideas off of each other, and just be friendly. This is also how you can meet some awesome dedicated people to learning whatever it is you're doing, which is awesome too. So you pretty much just set it up on Thinkific, Kajabi, whatever platform you're using, set up a reoccurring monthly charge. It's sure there's a significant amount of value in it to begin with, so people sign up, and then each month make it very clear what they'll be getting as well, so they stick around. The next income stream I'm going to talk about is consulting and coaching. Now, if you know a lot about a certain topic or you have a degree in something, you can have one-on-one calls with your audience members and help them directly solve their individual issues. You can charge according to how much value you provide. However, the one downside is it's not a scalable income source. To make more money, you have to spend more time. Whereas courses, you can sell tons of courses, but you don't have to make the course each and every time you sell it. You can use Skype, Discord, or Zoom.us to have a face-to-face call, and it doesn't even matter where in the world you are. A bonus tip, you can even add a bonus as to record the call and send it to the person so that they can enjoy that as well. And for the final income source that you didn't think of, you can monetize the skills of being a YouTube creator. You don't have to make money off of being on the platform itself. You can make money doing what you learned from the platform. You can find local businesses, show them the videos you've created, and propose to make videos for that business. It could be the bakery down the street, or whatever. But you can make videos about trying the food, a review, stuff like that they can use on their website or their blog or to promote or whatever they want to do with it, and they pay you for it. The best part, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have because they're buying the video off of you, not the promotion. You can also sell graphic design work if you're really good in Photoshop, or even video editing and stuff like that. You learn a ton of skills from being a YouTuber, so why not utilize them to make money? What is one method you're planning on utilizing in 2018? Let me know in the comments below. below. Now that you know how to make money with a small YouTube channel, click the card above to watch a playlist on how you can survive the new monetization policies and be stronger than ever. If this video has helped you and you want to continue attacking the struggles you face on YouTube, click subscribe by hitting the circle over there, and click one of the videos below to continue learning about YouTube and the ways you can grow your channel. Once again, thank you for watching, have an awesome day.